Hey guys, welcome to Tuesday Newsday. Today I am joined with Courtenay, our little elf. How are you doing today?
I'm good. I'm here in my elf costume.
I love your
Jenny's. I'm a Jenny's elf for the Christmas box, if any of you have ever received it and watched the videos. Hence the outfit. I got this last year after Christmas thinking I was going to need it, and lo and behold, I did.
Yeah, well, it's perfect. I love it so much. Your little hat makes me so happy. All right, so what's going on in Hamilton lately?
Let's see. The weather's been pretty good. It's been kind of in the mid 80s, which is great for me. I don't like that 90-degree stuff.
Yeah, that's way too hot.
Yeah, and good storms.
Oh,
Good
yeah.
storms for us, but last night, unfortunately, we forgot to roll up our windows in the car. And it's a good thing that I live close enough to walk to work, because I wouldn't have been able to ride.
Oh no!
So Bob was on the hunt this morning to look for a shop vac.
Oh my gosh! Did it like?
And it poured too. It wasn't like a sprinkle.
Oh my gosh! I can't even imagine anything worse than that. Holy
I
cow!
know. Yeah,
Oh my
so
goodness!
I walked to work, which was fine.
Well, I mean, you get your steps
Beautiful
in.
day.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
It is a really beautiful day today. It's kind of cooler.
Yeah.
Which
yeah,
is
I'm
interesting.
loving it.
Yeah. It's been really hot and like sticky lately.
Yeah.
So it's been nice to have some cooler weather.
Yes, ma'am.
On Friday we have a tutorial.
Natalie's What If Bear Paw tutorial is going to be on Friday. So I'm looking forward to that. That'll be fun.
Yeah, that's
I think
going to be a lot
everybody
of
will
fun.
enjoy it.
I love the What If series. It's super cool to see all the differences that you can make with just tweaking a few things.
Yes, color placement or adding one half square triangle to a block or snowballing a block. It's really fun to see.
Or even just turning the block sometimes can make a whole new quilt. It's crazy.
Yeah, I like it.
So, do you have any like fun summer plans that you've been doing?
Do I have fun summer plans? Not really. A lot of times in the summer, I'm trying to get ready for Christmas actually, if I plan well, which sometimes I do a lot of things, but I like making in the summer smaller projects. Like I'm starting my Christmas postcards and zipper bags. If I see a new pattern, I'll make 2 or 3 of a project, and then I'll have a couple in my stash to hand out at Christmas. But
nice, that's really smart.
yeah, well, when I do it.
If you remember.
That's right.
That's
right.
the key component.
That's right. And we have not, I just got back from teaching in Springfield, Missouri, so that was wonderful
Awesome.
Group of ladies down there. And I don't think I'm planning to go anywhere now till the fall. So
That's super fair. Well, speaking of Christmas projects in July, it is Christmas in July.
It is definitely Christmas in July.
So what do we have for stuff in July then?
Well, we have, speaking of Jenny's box, we have the pre-sale going on through the 31st.
Yes.
And grab one now. I have peeked at some of the projects in there.
Have you?
I have.
Oh.
I've seen some of them, and I've done some work with some of them. And you guys are gonna love it. If you haven't got it before, I would highly recommend it. I think you'll all love it. So it's a good combination of quilting related stuff and then other things that you may not buy yourself, but it's something you're like, oh, that's so cool. I wouldn't have bought that. So it's kind of fun. Yeah. So I think you'll love it though.
So are you going to be making a cameo? Is Jenny's elf going to be making a cameo?
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Can't get rid of me.
We wouldn't want to.
Yeah.
We love you.
I have something different planned for the outfits this year though, so I won't have these on. So this would be the only.
Oh.
Well, I might for one. But I have something different planned.
Ooh,
so
interesting.
Have to watch for those. And even if you don't get the box, you can still watch the videos.
Yes. The videos for like all the projects, like they're great little fun things to do.
Yeah.
Do you know, since Jenny is gone this year, do you know what the videos are gonna kind of look like? Do you know if Jenny's still gonna be in them or?
Rumor has it that she may be doing a few.
Okay.
And then
from Africa?
From Africa, yeah.
Oh, fun.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So that'll be cool. And then they may be bringing some of the family in to do some. So, and then other special guests may be doing some. So I think it'll be a great assortment of people.
Yeah, okay.
That normally you might not see on camera. So that'll be fun too to see who's opening the box the package that day.
That's going to be fun. It's just a surprise in all the ways now.
It is. It really is.
Well, some other things we have going on is Birthday Bash is coming up.
Birthday Bash is coming up. It's going to be a hoot-nanny fun time. The
It
theme
is.
is Western.
Yes.
And,
Stitch and Stampede.
Yes, and I think it's going to be really fun. The sew-off is going to be a riot.
Yes, it always is.
Wanted posters will be coming out soon with pictures of the sew-off contestants, I guess, or...
Oh, cool. That's going to be fun.
And I already have my costume picked out, and I have my name. Should I say what my name is?
Oh, I don't think so.
Okay.
I think you
All
should
right.
keep that a secret.
Okay. We'll have to wait till the wanted posters come out, and then you'll be able to see what
Yes. No.
I guess they're going to go up in town. It's going to be hilarious. And
Oh my gosh, that's
BJ's going to be the sheriff.
Oh my gosh, are you serious?
Yeah. I think there's 5 or 6 of us, and I think it's going to be hilarious.
That's going to be
I can't
so
wait.
good.
I can't wait. Yeah.
That's so exciting.
Yeah, so that'll be in September. That's coming up fast.
It is. Do you know if we still have events or tickets to the event or swag bags available?
I believe we do, yes.
Okay.
Yep.
Cool. So you can find that on our website, by the way, guys. If you need any help, just shoot us a comment and I can send you the link too.
Yep.
And the birthday bash is on September 17th through the 20th. And you do not need a ticket to come to town. You just need a ticket to see certain events. But we're going to have tons of fun free demos and really exciting things going on in town. So even if you don't get a ticket, still come down, come visit us. We'll love to say hello. Okay, also,
there's a ton going on.
I see the cutest little Magic Garden Good Tidings kit box right next to you.
This is a kit. I believe the original Block of the Month was called Spring Garden, and this we did Good Tidings. Well, I guess maybe it was called the Magic Garden.
I think it is the Magic Garden,
Okay.
yeah.
And this is a Christmas edition.
Oh.
So it was so popular, and I believe we sold out of it. So we decided to do it in a Christmas edition.
Very cool.
So this is going to be released on the 15th of July.
Mm-hmm.
And if it went as fast as the other one did, you better get it quick.
Better snap it up.
But yeah, it's really, I love how we box stuff.
Yeah.
Our staff is so talented in designing the boxes, the Jenny box and this box, it always looks so pretty.
Yes, they do.
So,
it's
yeah.
gorgeous.
Yeah, I love it.
Do you know about any other upcoming retreats we have coming?
We have Missy Carpenter of Traditional Primitives will be teaching a table runner pattern by remembering Martha, and it's an English paper piecing method.
Fun.
And that's in October, the 7th through the 10th. And then Julie Porter of Farmhouse Cottons will be teaching her Pumpkin Palace, and that was designed specifically for the retreat here in town. And that's also October, and that's the 20th through the 24th. So beautiful time to come to Hamilton.
Yes, October is one of my most favorite months here in Hamilton.
Mine
It's
too.
just so gorgeous.
Yeah, those trees in the park will be nice and red and bright by then.
Oh yeah.
Very pretty.
I need to figure out what kind of trees they are. Little side note, because I love them so much and I want my own.
There you go. You need to get some.
I know. I need to find them.
There's a tree guy here in town.
Anyway, I think that's it for this week.
All right. Well, everybody have a great week, and I hope to see you guys soon.